Alrighty, so welcome back. This is going to be devlog number 13, and today we're going to go over a couple things, including, but not limited to, a couple bugs that I've fixed now. So some of these bugs were really tedious, and I was like, what the heck is going on, right? So I had no clue what was going on with the health potion. I was like, okay, sweet. I can use it, but when I do, here, let's just build it. When I do, it doesn't really work. So I use it, but then it destroys the last item in my inventory. And I was like, okay, well, how can we fix that? So I did some research and I figured it out. I got it to work, boom, right off the rip. And I didn't really have to do a lot of research. I just fiddled around with a bunch of things and it eventually worked out, and I was like, dang, that's not bad, right? So I got it finally working and all of that. So now health potion works, and I'm trying to kill a mob so that I can show you, but I'm heavily struggling with that. Okay, so that all works out, but then there's like a couple characters that I have to recreate and stuff like that. Sweet. Okay, now I can show you. See, common chest, health potion. It deletes the health potion now, which is perfect. That's what I want. Sorry. There was a couple things as well. I have to create more character sheets, and I've sort of started working on like the finalized poster kind of thing for the project, like with the characters and all of that. So I'm redesigning the characters. So the Emerald Knight might not look like this clean, finished, polished up Emerald Knight anymore. It'll change. And then I was also thinking about, okay, can I change this so that instead of being the character like it is when I open up the inventory, that's fine. I like it like that. I'll show the character on the inventory, but here, what if I made like a class and like a class logo for it? So like the knight had like a shield and a sword in it, or like two swords, something like that. So that's sort of where I'm going with that as well. I have to finish up the design of level 2, so I like how far it goes over here. I'm going to maybe make it go all the way over here on this side, and then I'll put this portal somewhere in there, and then I'll work on the boss battle, finish up the boss battle, and then I can start working on the next world, which means I need to create more characters, I need to create more mobs, as well as I need to create some more for the forest as well, adding those in there as well. And so there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but I'm starting school too soon. So I'm going to have school, and I'm going to have a bunch of other things as well going on in my life. So videos will be sporadic, as they usually are on this channel. I'll be working on them as best as I can, trying to create a schedule that will work with my workflow of school once I figure out how much that is. But for now, 2 main goals for this game. First one being completing the forest world. So implementing the boss, killing the boss, and whatnot. Okay. And then the second one is working on the art for it. So like the poster art and all of that stuff. So those are my plans for that, as well as a buddy of mine and I, we got together over the summer because he was working at the summer camp this year. He wasn't previous year. It's complicated. But what we're going to do is we're going to be creating a game on dreams. And so we're going to be creating this game for a while as well. I'll probably do a couple videos on that too. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely catch you guys on the next episode, devlog number 14, which I have plans for already, and I'm working on already. So yeah, that's a lot of information, a lot of just garbly goop. The next one should be more fun, but as always, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddo.